mayroong nilalaakbay, matugay at may nakaraan
Ayan, good evening everyone. My name is Nikki. Sabi ko. Ayan. Ano kayo sasabihin? Pinapabangan ako. Ayan, ayun, nasa si Tito Baby. Tito Baby, hindi kita binigo. Ang ganda ko today. Gumaganyan ka pa. Ayan. Nasaan tita? Ayan. Ay, tita. Thank you.
Idol.
Ayan,
Nagkahit pa ng kilikili yan.
Ayan. Ay, sabi mo. Ayan. Ikaklaro ko lang yung mga sinabi ng mga constances ko. Kaya, ang gaganda. Kaya maganda ka. Excuse me. Mas maganda ako. Tama? Ay, wala pa akong wig niyan, ha? Wala pa. Kaya, nagpapasalamat po pala kami sa inyong pagdalo. Ayan, ako nga po pala ang nanalo ng karaang taon. Kahit wala. Hindi na po ako sumali sa kanila kasi alam ko matatalo sila sa akin. Ayan. Kaya na po, maraming pong salamat. My name is Nikki. Sherry.
bukas pa sa iyo.
Okay, thank you very much. Nikki, you stay here first. That's Nikki, what do you call this, the winner. Okay, contestant, please come closer. Who will be the Meet Ronald Skate Ring 2013? Who is your band? It's number 4. What about number 8? What about number 2? Number 9? Sige. So, Nikki, please assist JB. And the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen, as I call your name, please come forward. So you have there the sash, and of course, Uptown's Pride. Let's begin with the background. Pagkala ko sa istasyon, ano? Okay. Please come forward for the third runner-up. None other than Ara! Yes, there you have it. Keys, JB. Now, Keys, JB. Okay. So, pakipin na JB yung stash ni Ara.
Usap sa balikat. Harap dito, harap. Harap. Si Aro, harap daw dun.
Thank you very much, Ara.
Jeff.
Ara is now the third runner-up for the Romulus Catering Party 2013. And the second runner-up, please come forward. Second runner-up, please come forward.
Jamie Keys.
Saan ba na kayo mga ground ninyo?
Nahihiyatan natin dito, baby yan.
Thank you very much. Okay, picture, Carla. Thank you very much. Party 2013 goes to first runner-up. Please come forward, Michael. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Rabbis 2013, the champion